Happy Monday, you trader nerds. It is a holiday, Juneteenth, our newest little holiday, which is an important holiday because we celebrate and are happy that we no longer have slaves in the United States, which is a very, very good thing. And it's a sad chapter of our history that we ever did have slaves. And a day that we need to remember that there's still a lot of people in slavery. You think about all the women and children that are, bound somewhere against their will in this world. And it's just really, really sad. So we'll continue to remember those as well. So hope you're having a great, great day. The futures are open and we are trading, even though there is no volume whatsoever. Look at this, 375. But here we are. So we'll at least do our Greeks and metrics and see how things are going. And Ed, are you back in the United States now? Or are you still broken peace in the Middle East? I saw Ed in here. He may still
Hey
be.
guys, I'm out of pocket. I'm still out of the country.
Wow, Ed. I mean,
But I'm coming home tomorrow night and I can't wait.
that's big money. When Ed's over in the Middle East for weeks at a time, Ed, we've missed you, son. It's just
I miss you guys.
wow. And Ed's got a class coming up that he wants to do on T-bills again. Ed, go ahead and tell everybody about that.
Yeah, I want to do a couple of live sessions, probably do one during the day and one at night, just with live Q&A on any questions that people may have. I don't want to do a whole new seminar like, the little segment I've done in the past, but I do feel like I get a lot of questions. I feel like it's a good time to do a Q&A. So anyone that has some questions, if y'all would ping them to me, that would be great.
Good,
and we'll
Ed.
probably do that next week, like a week from tomorrow or something like that.
Well, we appreciate you doing that, Ed. That's really good.
My pleasure. My pleasure. See you guys soon.
Look forward to
Back
it.
in the US of A.
Yeah. What country are you in right now, Ed?
I'm in Israel.
You still in Israel? Okay.
Yep. I'm at the actual wedding that I came here for.
Oh, you're at a wedding and you're also with Trader Nerds. How cool is that?
Yeah. And you saw I met Avi this afternoon. I met Avi.
Isn't that weird? That's kind of cool, right? That's wild.
Yeah. That was fun.
Well, I'm glad that you met him. So that's wonderful.
Me too.
All right.
Thanks,
so
guys.
we don't have a VIX today, y'all. VIX doesn't trade when the market's closed, but we'll keep it at 14. So we're a little too long, right? And we got, we're good on our theta. That's where our buying power is. 96.74. 96.74. In this one, we're a little long, right? So probably, I think the reason that my accounts are long, and I hadn't really looked at them, is I think that my put credit spreads, you remember since I took the call side off, I think I probably got on too many call credit spreads on. I don't know if I can close anything today though. Let's see, positions on ES. So it's so much harder on this one. Let's see what we got here. We got 60 days, we got 73 days. So let's see, 35.30, 34.30 is way out there. Let's see if we could close that. 35.30, 34.30. May not be any volume to close it. Let's see. Close it for 80 cents. So I sold that for over $5, right? So that would get me a little of my delta gone here. Let's see if let's see if there's any volume to get out of something. Probably have to work it. Let's see if we can work it up a little bit. We won't go too much. 95 is the natural. Let's see. Sold it for 5. Let's see if we can go up one more. I just like to see if we could get filled on a day when only 300 contracts. There we go. We're out. Look at there. Okay. Now, why didn't my deltas change? My theta went down a little bit. Let's see. Let's hit our position tab and hit our little cap requirements. Let's see if that'll update everything. Yeah, I agree. What did I just agree to? Do that. So it says we're 74.40. Now my delta should have changed a little bit. Let's see. 74.40. Let's go put that in. 74.40. Oh, it did go down a little bit. 74.40. Okay. So we're still at 0.11, still a little bit long. Let's see if we can close another one. Let's just see. And I don't want to close more than another one. Let's see what else we got here. So I sold these for $5. So I got a 35.90, 34.90. What's that 34.34? 34.30? I think I would have a 35.30, wouldn't you? Huh. We'll see one. 35.90, 34.90. Let's see what we can close that one for. Close for $1. I sold it for $5. Hey, we're out of that. So now we're at 71.38. That's probably as far as I want to go down. 71.38. Yeah. Just making a little adjustments. Little adjustments. There we go. 0.10, 71. I'm fine with that. Okay, good. All right. So now let's go to the IRA, baby. IRA, baby. Where's my IRA? Here we go. So we'll go to this one here. And let's see. All right, so I got this fixed up really good now. Joe told me how to do this. Look at this. Isn't this great? Ed, have you seen this? You may not can see on your little phone, but now I don't have to do my math. So now we're at 123 deltas and 61 theta. 123, 61. Let's see what that looks like. 123, 61. Well, I didn't do my thing yet. That's fine. 123. We're almost getting a little too long here, right? My theta went up a little bit, so that's good. And my buying power is at 19,906. Get the right one, Bob. 19, what was it? 19,906? Something like that. And let's go put our net lick in. So on this one, we are at net lick of 85,704. 85,704. Now just a little bit. 85,704. Okay, beautiful. So Greeks and ratios, we got all that. Okay, so we're at 23%. We're a little low here. And I think it's kind of a similar problem, right? I want my theta to go up, but I'm getting a little bit of long deltas from those put credit spreads. Let's see if we can break out our groups and see kind of what deltas each one of those is having. So we'll go to put credit spreads. Here we go. Put credit spreads. And we've got deltas of 97.33 on those jokers. So that's a lot of deltas coming from there. So let's see what our most profitable one is. And remember, our plan was to close these when they get to 40% profit. Now, you can't go by these profit things because it ain't right. So let's see if we can do them by profit here. So that's my most profitable one right here is this one, 36.25, 35.25. So we could create a closing order on that just to get rid of some of those deltas. So $1.05, 36.25, 35. Let's get rid of that. See what it does. Let's nickel it up a little bit. And then I think I want to put on a 112. There we go. So we're at 110, 36.25, 35.25 for 110. Let's go put him in. Go to my trade tab. 36.25, 36.25, 35.25. Oh, was it two of them? Or just one of them? What did I close? I'm a little rusty today. Let's see. One order. We closed one. 36.25, 35.25. Do I have another 36.25, 35.25 on? I do, don't I? 36.25, 35.25. Is that the only other one I got? No, I got one there at 73 days. So let's close this one so we can close that entire position. So we'll get it at 110. Oh, man. I got one filled at 110 and one that won't fill at 110. Come on, fill. Dang it. 115. Okay, so we're out. Okay, what did fill? Well, what did it fill for? 110 or 115? Let me see. It filled for 110. Both of them filled for 110. So we closed the 36.25, 35.25. Let's go find him. 36.25, 35.25. We closed 2 of those. So at $1.10, which is really over our 40% that I was hoping to make on them, right? So we did really good on that one. So 619.23. Beautiful, 76%. Look at sweet Bobby. But now the problem is, what did that do? Well, that kind of fixed my stuff. It fixed my delta, I would imagine. Let's take our things off here, our groups off, and see where we're at now. So now we're at 116.57. 116.57. I like what that did, but I don't like what this did. So what we're going to do now is we're going to try to do a 112. First, I want to go see my Analyze tab. Let's just visit everything. ES, we got portfolio beta weighted. And today's the 19th, that's right. And we want to just look at our risk. So let's go take off our hide simulations. Let's take off our little, what do you call these, T-bills that Ed has us in, making nice money on. Vacation money, baby. Oh, yeah. All right, so what are we doing now? So let's look at our risk. 4170 here, 19,000 here for 12% down. If you remember when Karen was doing this is where she managed her risk at 12% down. She would say, I never want this to be anything near my net leg because this is, you know, I'm going to get a margin call. So in the $86,000 account, 19,000 down there looks really, really good. We look really, really good if we continue going up. You can see how much extrinsic value you get. Well, most of it, if you'll do expirations and do 4 of these. And we've actually got things in 9 different series. So it's not going to show us all of our extrinsic, but our P&L on our open P&L day, let's change that to P&L day. So we got about through July the 6th, we got $954 of extrinsic value or so that we can take out. Okay, cool, cool, cool. So with that saying, why did I say that? Oh, let's go put in our trade. So and I like what we've been doing. And I never get enough in this account. So market's down a little bit. So let's take advantage of a little bit of a down move. And let's look at these 88 days. And we're looking at the 9% probability of being in the money. Okay, so round in here. And we were looking to get 20. Look at these wide bid-ask spreads, y'all. Oh, it's incredible, right? Oh my gosh, it's just big. So let's see, 15 and 28. I mean, should I even try it? Let's see if we go, let's go closer to 20. Oh, I'd love to get 20 on that one. So let's sell 2 of those. See if we can get 20 in this wide bid. I bet we don't get filled at all. Nothing. Let me go down to 20. Nothing. Jack, squat, crap, nothing. Now, I wonder if I can get filled on this 4,000 one. I just don't want those wide bid-ask spreads right now. And I heard some of y'all mentioning this in the thing, you know, you're like, wow. And we know why it is today because it's a holiday. Not a lot of people are trading. Let me try that 4,000 one. Let's see what I can get out of it. No, I want to cancel, don't I, Bob? All right, let's go back. Let me go out one expiration and see what it is. Well, it's probably worse than that. Let's see. Out at 88 days. Let me look at the 60 days. I did a 111. So normally on this one, I'm going to wherever I can get about $22, $24. See, the bid-ask spreads are much tighter here, much tighter. Let's see if that holds true over here to where I want to get 20. Oh, wow. That's not too bad. That's not bad. That's not bad. It's not bad. 1950, 2050, that looks good. And really, I'm just going where I can get, you know, $22 or so. Yeah. So maybe this 4,100 doesn't look too bad. 4110 there doesn't look too bad. Let's try that one. 12 delta. And this would be a 1-1-1, y'all. So I would do 2 of these and see if we can get filled here. There we go. 22.25. All right, so let's go back. 22.25 at, dang it, was it 60 days? Yeah, 60 days. And we sold the 2 of the 4110s. 2 4110s. So go to my trade tab. 4110 MES. We did 2 of them. And we'll call this naked put 61. Puts naked 60 days. 6/19/23 and 22.25, I think. Yeah, brought in $219. Okay, beautiful. Now let's go over here. And I want to do a put debit spread, and I'll do 2 put debit spreads. So it's easier to build them over here. So let's do this. So we can do them Victor's way, or we can do it a regular way. I think the last one I did was Victor's way. So I think I'm just going to do the regular way today. So now remember, we kind of said, hey, you can put them in the same expiration if you want to, but there's kind of fun if you could go and go, I'm hoping to hold this for 30 days, this trade. So I need to put debit spread for at least 30 days. So let's go 32 days. Let's go long put vertical, 50 wide. And we'll get that where it could be $9.75. $9.75, 10.25. So we're looking about the 43.60, 43.10, 43.60, 43.10, 43.60, 43.10. Here we go, 43.60, 43.10. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Got my exercising done today. I did not want to do it, but I did it anyway. Have y'all exercised today? I bet Ed's getting all kind of exercise. So there's 950. Let's move it up to 975 and see if we get filled. And we wanted 2 of those, right? There we go, 975. 43.60, 43.10. And 975. And so MES. I said MES. Dang it.
Dang it, Bobby.
And we did 2 tranches of those, and PDS 61 puts debit spread 32 days. So we'll have 2 days of that thing without our little thing. And now let's see what our Greeks and ratios look like. What are y'all talking about? Does mowing the lawn count as exercise? Well, it depends, Glenn. Are you pushing and weed eating, or are you on one of them big old 0 turn things? Now, if you on one of them 0 turn things with one of them big old hats on, no. Come on. Come on, Glenn. Oh, it costs a fortune to have my grass cut. $150 every 2 weeks. And I'm like, geez, that's just a lot of money, y'all. It's crazy. All right, so we got that in. So now let's look and see what our Greeks and ratios are. Hopefully I went up some. I don't know, taking that big credit spread off. Let's see what we're looking at now. So now we're at, oh, sorry, take my groups off. Now we're at 121.63. 121.63. Oh yeah. 121.63. I like that better. Okay. So it's the same percentage on my theta, but at least I increased my theta a little bit. Yeah, I'm fine. I hate that I'm a little too long though, but that's fine. I think we're good. All right, so let's go to the final account. Clemson account. And over here, we are probably down a little bit too. 35,450, 35,450 going once. 35,450 down $10, 450. Our theta didn't come in over the weekend yet. That's fine. It'll come in. And let's see, over here, we're 60.24, 60.24. Little red, 24. Okay, 14, and our buying power over here is, oh, it's all you, huh? Cutting blade by blade, down on your knees with a pair of scissors. Oh my goodness. As long as you sweating, right? That's all. I mean, as long as you sweating. 69.32 is our buying power. 69.32. Okay, everything looks good except we're a little long. A little long. You know, and I may just trim one of those put debit spreads off. Let's see what my biggest winner is over there. I wish these things would show the profits correctly. Put credit spreads. Here we go. So P&L percentage. So this one says 8.9% up, but that ain't right. That just ain't right. It's more than that. So let's see. Oh, got 5 of them. Well, I don't want to close all 5 of them. Why would I close? How do I do 5 of those? I'll close this one right here. Let's just let those run because I got too much theta invested in those things. I got $7 worth of theta. I don't want to take that off. I don't even know if I want to take this off. Let's see. Can I close it for under $1? $1.25. Yeah, I don't think I want to put that on. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to put more risk on. So I think I'm going to go to the other account. Now, I think I'm going to do the same trades I did over here. So I'm going to sell one of these. Let's change that to 1. And we're going to try for 22.50 and put it in the Crimson account because I am greedy. Come on, fill me. Nothing. Jack, squat, crap. All right, so let's go 22.25. Come on, baby. Fill me. Oh, come on. There you go. 22.25 for the 41.10. All right, so let's go copy that trade. Because here we did this, right? Uh-oh. So let's just copy that good stuff right there. 22.25. So we'll copy it. We'll put it over here. Under my trade thingies, my jiggies, Control V, and we'll call this NP2. I started over for some reason, not sure why I did it. NP2 and for 22.25. So now, but I only did one of them, didn't I? Yep. So now let's do the other one. Let's do the Bobby Beth monitor. Okay, so we want one of these, put debit spreads. So let's go confirm and send, change the account to the Crimson account. Yep. And hold on. Edit. Make that just 1. There we go. Confirm and send, Crimson account. Come on, baby. There we go. 975. So we'll copy that order from the IRA. And we'll just put that in for 975. Copy and paste. And then we'll find out what our things are here. Control V for victory. And we got in it for 975. We don't have any closing signals at all, so everything looks good. So now let's see what we did to our Greeks.
You can change your quantity to 1.
Oh, thank you so much, Hal. I appreciate that. Good. See, I don't know how I make it without y'all. I really don't. I really don't. Y'all help me so much more. So it's warm and humid in North Texas as it is in Holland. Jose's in Holland. How about that? Humid and dry. I'd love to go see all the tulips over there. I think that'd be fun. Okay, Bobby, do you always use a shorter DTE for the put debit spread? Looks better than mine. I used equal DTEs for both naked and PDS. Well, you know, when we were doing the triple nipple donkey, y'all, that's how we were doing it. Remember? Because we were going to walk it down twice. We had them in different expirations and blah, blah, blah. And it didn't work well only because of the Sweet Bobby hedge. So it makes sense. If you'll go to Victor's room in Discord, he wrote a great piece on, you know, he did a great piece on why the put debit spread is not the ultimate thing and we just want to have thousands of them. He said it's really to protect that kind of one position that we have. And if you can move it in closer to the days to expiration, like if you got a naked at 60 and you've got the put debit spread at 30. The put debit spread at 30 is closer to the spot price of the MES, which means the hedge kicks in a heck of a lot quicker. So, you can mix it up if you want to, but I think just looking at it, it makes for a more formidable hedge. Now, the only downside is, once you take off your naked, you don't have the put debit spread remaining, but that's what Victor was talking about in his piece, is that, hey, it really doesn't come into play that often. So just go ahead and use it for what it was used for, to kind of give us a little buffer for the naked and move on. So don't be stockpiling things. And I kind of like that. Okay. All right, what did I do? Did we do these trades? Yeah, 1 and 1. We did naked put. So that's it. I think we're good. Let's look at our final countdown over here. How did our metrics? So I think I'm gonna go make me a pimento cheese sandwich. I have just been eating the heck out of those. Oh my gosh, I went to Aldi and got some pimento cheese. I love their pimento cheese, and put it on some sunbeam bread and some blue plate mayonnaise. Friend, you got you something. So now we're at 62.27, we'll say 62.27. 62, a little long. 27, beautiful, got that up a little bit. Yeah, I'm only 9 deltas long, and our buying power went up to, let's see, 75.64. Okay, we're still good. Everything looks good. Yeah, we got Aldi's here. They're all over the place. Got to put the quarter in. I keep a quarter in my car just for it, And then I make my kids bring in the groceries, so I don't have to worry about bags. I just send them out and I say, you make as many trips as you got to make to get all them groceries in. So we love Aldi. I mean, it's cheaper than anywhere else, y'all. I mean, you can get good deals there. Of course, their 2-liter Coke was $2.68. And I'm like, listen, Aldi, you need to be doing a better deal. What happened to Walmart? Well, we still do, like Beth is doing a Walmart pickup for Friday. So we do the pickup Walmart. I can't stand going in that store. I hate that store. Oh my gosh, just going in. Every time you go in, you throw $200 out the drain. Every time you walk in that store, I just hate it. And I hate Target. I hate that store. Oh my gosh, I go in there and they got all that red, and it makes me angry. You know how like red makes a bull, when the bullfighting, they always show them red because it pisses them off. Oh, it just pisses me off every time I see that red. It's just all over the flipping place. So I don't like that place either. But I like Aldi. Go in there, give them a quarter, get you a little buggy and get out. It's fine. I like it. Really good. Except, and they've got great pizzas too. Thin crust. Oh, their thin crust pizzas are really good. What was it? The only thing Beth said that they got that sucks is peanut butter. The Aldi brand of peanut butter, Beth has to have Skippy peanut butter. Yeah, oh, absolutely, Chame, you can do that. When the PDS is in the same expiration, you can use it twice against the naked put. Absolutely, that is true. Absolutely. So what my deal was is I'm like, I think I'm going to mess them around a little bit, right? Like, so I did one at 60 today, and my put debit spread was at 30. So I will, there'll be times that I may go, let me put one in here in the 42 day. Kind of split the baby. But I certainly could have put it in the 60 day. And my trading plan allows for that as well. Let me show you in the trading plan really quickly. So to go to the trading plan and to put debit spread. So it can be placed either in the same expiration as the naked puts, or to get the spread closer to the spot price to increase the hedge protection, you can place it at an expiration of at least 1/2 the DTE of the naked puts. So I love our plan now, y'all. I think our plan is complete. I don't think I'm ever going to change anything else to it. Wink, 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 wink. I think it's really good. All right. So hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your day. I will see y'all tomorrow on T-Bill Tuesday.